Tad's fixing to drive off and I don't have my coffee, so I gotta find it. First place I always look is my bumper because I'm really bad about putting stuff on my bumper. Yep, there it is. See, I put stuff down on the bumper and then I get into my door. So that is what happens. I've lost my GoPro like that on the highway 95 here in Quartzsite. Luckily, well, I say I lost it. I knew that I set it on there, and I set it on there and drove down 95 and then realized, oh, I left my camera on the bumper. But it was still there. All right, here we go. I was gonna tell her I found it, but I don't know where she went. I guess she forgot something. Yeah. She's been abducted. Whew. Have I mentioned how much I love my heated steering wheel? Yeah. And my heated seats. And my heater. Oh, she's getting Sammy a blanket. Yeah, it's cold. Locked her.
Hey, hey, hey.
Did you get Sammy a blanket?
I did. She's so cold.
I found my coffee on my bumper.
Oh, good. We're off.
And we're off
Day
again.
9.
Day. Nine?
Nine.
Is that better?
Is that better? Vanda wants part of it, so he's going to lay down with you, okay? She says, no, it's not okay. Get him off my blanket.
You gonna lay on top of her?
She says, it's my blanket. Come here, Vanda. Come on.
This morning we are having, well, it was toast, but I made it into cinnamon toast and 2 sausages. We're out of eggs, and oh, you're gonna have Smucker's strawberry jelly on yours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you had 1 cinnamon toast and then
Had is the operable word.
yeah, and now you have 2 regular toast. You're gonna put jelly on it. That's for breakfast this morning.
Hey,
Hey,
here you go.
What
From
is
the
it?
Big Tent, it's cinnamon, sugar covered, a mixture of cashews, almonds, and pecans. And they're absolutely amazing.
And they're warm.
Yeah.
They sell these at Buc-ee's, and it's one of my favorite things
Yeah.
in the world to get at Buc-ee's.
And
I
if you
gotta
like
open it
them warm,
up.
the man at the stand
And
said you could
everybody
heat them up in
see.
the microwave for about just 10 or 15
Ooh,
seconds,
they
but they're
smell
really
so
good cold as well.
Oh,
Ooh,
yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Now that's a rig. For lunch today, we're having homemade cheese enchiladas. Yeah, heating up the tortillas now. Then I will roll them. I might even see if I can turn on the microwave and just put them in the microwave and cook them instead of putting them in the oven. I think that'll take too long. So I'm making the homemade enchilada sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons of oil. I can't really stir it while I'm filming. And 2 tablespoons of flour. So I'm going to cook this. When I finish, I'm going to pour it over the enchiladas and put some cheese on it. I did start my generator, so it works. So I'm going to heat these up in the microwave. Just need to heat it up so it'll thicken up, and then I'll pour it over the enchiladas. All right, let's start the generator. Yeehaw, it's going in the microwave. Okay, I'm gonna redeem myself. I told myself the next piece of trash I see in the desert, I'm gonna go pick it up. So since that, oh, I didn't pick up that lantern. All right. I got a bag. Oh look, here's another piece. And another piece. You could do this all day long out here. But anyway, hopefully I've redeemed myself by not picking up that lantern thing the other day. Stopped on the way home, saw that bag and said, oh, I'm gonna get it. Good morning. It's the last day. It's day 10 of the Sell-A-Rama. Yay! This is always a good day. Yay! I back out of my driveway. Oh, goodness. Last day. Hopefully, we feel like tearing down today and we won't have to get up early in the morning. That's kind of the plan. Plus, it'll be warmer. It'll be in the 60s versus if we do it in the morning, it's going to be in the 50s, like 50. And there is a slight chance of rain. I don't think it'll rain. It'll be like, I think it's like 15% chance. So it'll be cloudy. The one thing that is good is the minute that sun peeks up over the mountains, it warms up pretty good. The air may still be cool, but you can feel the heat of the sun. And so it's much more pleasant after the sun peaks, which there is no clouds today. And it will be a warm day. So hopefully we will feel like tearing down. We'll have some motivation to tear down the tent and the canopy and pack everything up today. Hopefully that's the motivation. We get to sleep in tomorrow. Yay! So we'll see. If we're busy and lots of traffic, we might feel better to do it in the morning. So anyway, day 10, last day of the Sell-A-Rama. Today's a repeat: sausage, toast, and cinnamon toast. Alright, this is the last lunch of the Tyson Wells fair food. That's what I call it. I should have been calling it that series all along. But anyway, today is cheeseburgers. And don't have any lettuce, but I got tomato, so it's just going to be cheese and tomato, mayonnaise, and hamburger patties. Okay, dokie. Let's see what we got. We got a cheeseburger. Mmm. Last thing to come down is the canopy. Fold up the rug and then canopy and we'll be done. Okay, it's all down. Just waiting for Deborah to bring Phoenix around, and now we load it all up.